Today's topic is on the Islamic prayer or Salat. Muslims must pray facing the direction of the Kaaba, which is inside the holy mosque in Mecca. Here is the Kaaba on the globe, and here is a Muslim man trying to pray in the direction of the Kaaba. How does he know the qibla, that is the direction of the prayer? For this, the Muslims have something called the qibla compass, which supposedly gives them the direction of the prayer. We will get into how Qibla compass works a little later in this video, but for a start, it has to do with drawing a circle on the earth's surface which will pass through the Kaaba and this Muslim man's location. The only instruction provided in Surah 2 verse 149 is that while praying, a Muslim man must face towards the Kaaba. I am going to show you that this instruction is enough for determining the direction of the prayer if the earth was flat. However, since the earth is round, this instruction is insufficient and there are infinitely many choices. Hence, if the guy changes his prayer direction to this, he is still praying facing the Kaaba. Sounds non-intuitive and difficult to digest? Let's first take an easy step and understand the flat earth situation. On this flat earth, here is the Kaaba. Here is a Muslim guy praying and he has turned his face towards the Kaaba. Now, how can he be sure that he is pointing towards the right direction? Very simple. He starts running facing the direction of the arrow and he will eventually hit the Kaaba. If he faces in some other direction and starts running in that direction, it is guaranteed that he will never reach the Kaaba. Flat earth is pretty simple. Between 2 points A and B, you can draw only one straight line. Hence, the direction is unique. I repeat, the direction is unique. But unfortunately, our earth is not flat, it is spherical, and the direction of prayer does not remain unique on a spherical surface. Let's get into the details. You have to join 2 points, you and the Kaaba, on the spherical earth. The simplest option would be to draw a circle, but if you want, you can draw any curve. The Quran does not specify which curve you should draw. All it has mentioned is that you have to face towards the Kaaba. From the picture, it seems like this man is facing the Kaaba. How can he be sure? Well, he starts running in the direction of his prayer. Since he has reached the Kaaba, his direction is correct. Now, imagine that he is facing in the exact opposite direction. What do you think? Is he facing a wrong direction? Well, it is easy to find out. He starts running in the direction he has been facing. It turns out that he has reached the Kaaba. This proves that his direction is indeed correct. So, which direction should he face? The red or the blue? Between 2 points on a sphere, you can draw infinitely many circles. For example, this yellow circle is another circle passing through this star-shaped thing and the Kaaba. Since each circle produces two directions of prayer and you can draw an infinite number of circles, you have an infinite number of prayer directions. While you can draw infinite number of small circles between 2 points on the earth. Just a short digression. What is a small circle? Circles whose center do not coincide with the center of the earth are called small circles. So, while you can draw infinite number of small circles between 2 points on the earth, you can fit just one great circle, that is a circle whose center is that of the center of the earth. The Qibla compass is based on the great circle. Using relations of spherical trigonometry, it gives you the Qibla denoted here by the red arrow. Amongst all possible circles, the great circle gives you the shortest distance between 2 points on a sphere. Mathematically, this is known as a geodesic. Now comes the real issue. The Quran does not tell us to take the great circle or a small circle or any circle or ellipse for that matter. It just has one instruction: to turn your face towards the Kaaba. It has absolutely no instruction on going for the shortest distance or the longest distance, whatever. This shortest distance thing is an additional constraint. Since specifying the direction is not enough, Muslim mathematicians during the Islamic Golden Age tried to resolve this issue by adding things that do not arise in the Quran or even in the Hadiths. If this guy faces the opposite direction, he is still facing the Kaaba, but in this case, the distance between him and the Kaaba is the longest. So, don't you think this is a bit funny that the Quran repeatedly boasts to be an absolutely clear book with detailed explanations, but forgot to tell Muslims about how to pray on a spherical earth, given that there are so many possibilities? There is a yet another grave problem. The direction at point A is given by the tangent vector. So, although you think you are praying towards the Kaaba, your prayer is actually directed towards the outer space. All these issues regarding the Islamic prayer simply points to the fact that the author of the Quran was an ignorant 7th century desert dweller who had no clue that the earth is spherical. There are so many verses in the Quran which echo the flat earth concept, which was the common belief in the 7th century Arabia.